P is for panda, P is for panda, so fluffy and round. P is for penguin, P is for penguin, sliding on the ground. P is for parrot, P is for parrot, so colorful and bright. P is for pizza, P is for pizza, a delicious bite. P is for pencil, P is for pencil, to write and to draw. P is for princess, P is for princess, with a shiny tiara to awe. P is for potato, P is for potato, so yummy to eat. P is for pineapple, P is for pineapple, so sweet and neat. P is for panther, P is for panther, so sleek and so fast. P is for peacock, P is for peacock, with feathers that last. P is for pigeon, P is for pigeon, flying in the sky. P is for pink, P is for pink, a soft color to try. P is for party, P is for party, with fun all around. P is for puppet, P is for puppet, with strings to be found. P is for pumpkin, P is for pumpkin, for Halloween fun. P is for paint, P is for paint, colors for everyone. P is for planets, P is for planets, so big in the space. P is for pie, P is for pie, a treat we'll chase. P is for peach, P is for peach, so juicy and sweet. P is for plum, P is for plum, a tasty treat to eat. P is for pear, P is for pear, a fruit so fresh. P is for pillow, P is for pillow, for a cozy rest. P is for park, P is for park, where we run and play. P is for pilot, P is for pilot, flying high each day. P is for pram, P is for pram, where babies sleep tight. P is for pajama, P is for pajama, for a peaceful night. P is for pudding, P is for pudding, so creamy and smooth. P is for peanuts, P is for peanuts, a snack you can choose. P is for pets, P is for pets, to keep you warm and neat. P is for piano, P is for piano, with keys so sweet. P is for popcorn, P is for popcorn, so crunchy and light. P is for pot, P is for pot, to cook meals just right. P is for pirate, P is for pirate, with a treasure